Today I want to show you my egg cooker, and it's just a normal egg cooker but a very unusual design. I brought this from Germany. You can see I changed the power adapter since then. I have been using it for over 20 years now. It's still working. It's just a normal egg cooker. I guess you know how it works. There's a water measurement cup in here, and if you want to cook hard eggs, you need more water, and soft eggs, here are the numbers of eggs. Interestingly, if you want to cook one soft egg, you need more water than cooking 7 soft eggs. And at the bottom of the cup, there's a small pin, and what's this used for? And just prick a hole here to avoid cracking when you cook the egg. And as you can see, this one is quite old. Supposedly there are 6 of the sticks here supporting this plate, but 3 of them are already gone. What is special on this design is the chicken. You can remove this, and there are 6 rings here. So basically you take them off, and the eggs can be served this way. And you have bread as well. This works just like the normal egg cooker. You put all the eggs here, maximum 7 eggs, and water, put it here. Then when the water boils, you steam out of this hole until the water totally dry out. Then there will be a buzz sound. Then the eggs are ready, and I always get perfect eggs. This has been serving my breakfast eggs for last 20 years and it's still working. I love it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.